In this video we will talk about benefits of fenugreek for hair growth. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Benefits of fenugreek hair growth. From hair loss to dandruff to baldness, those yucky methy seeds can open up a world of goodness for your hair and scalp. These yellowish-brown seeds are imbued with a pleasant flavor and a powerful aroma evocative of curry powder. They not only add a punch of taste to the simplest of dishes but totally give a new dimension to these dishes. Apart from the delectable flavor, these seeds naturally come with a number of health benefits. They are not only good for your hair health but also for your overall body. Fenugreek seeds benefits for hair. 1. Prevents hair loss. Are you fed up of tackling the woes of hair loss? Look for the fenugreek seeds in your spice box, as it might be just what you require. Fenugreek seeds are very effective in making the hair strong from their roots and dealing with the follicular problems. These seed fights irritation on the scalp and dandruff, which are two main reasons for hair loss. 2. Fights dandruff. Dandruff can make you scratch your head like never before. This can break your hair that eventually falls out. Blame fungi and bacteria for this. While they are somehow present on the scalp, an imbalance in their numbers can lead to dandruff. 3. For shiny conditioned hair. Who doesn't want shiny and luscious hair, and that too naturally? Everyone does. So stop using the chemical-based shampoos and conditioners for a silky smooth hair, and incorporate fenugreek seeds in your hair diet. 4. Promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Blend 1/2 cup soaked fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and 6 to 7 drops of rosemary oil together. Apply this hair mask on your scalp. Let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing it off. 5. Prevents premature gray hair. Graying of hair is considered natural as you grow old. If this problem becomes evident in young adults in their 20s, then it's a problem. Although gray hair is a fashion trend nowadays, yet it is taken as premature and unnatural. The high content of potassium in fenugreek seeds makes it an important kitchen spice which is capable of tackling premature graying of hair. 5. Fenugreek seeds for lustrous, glossy hair. Take 25 grams of soaked methy seeds, 25 grams of curd, lemon juice, honey and water. Blend all the ingredients together into fine paste. Apply this hair pack all over your hair. Wash this hair pack with a mild shampoo after 45 minutes. This hair gives shine, prevents dandruff and hair fall as well. 6. Methy for curly hair. Methy also helps in defining your curls by removing the frizz from the hair. Soak 4 to 5 tablespoons of methy overnight in double the quantity of water. You can have boiled water as a soaking agent. Next morning strain the gelatinous water. Take this sticky water and rinse your hair post your shampoo routine. Leave it on your head for at least 10 minutes. Wash it off with water after some time. It will dry faster and give your curls a lovely bounce without any hair products. 7. Methy seeds for dry hair. Take a handful of methy seeds that have been soaked in water overnight and grind it to a fine paste. Add a little curd to this paste along with honey and olive oil. You can also oil your hair overnight and skip putting olive oil in the hair pack. Mix the ingredients in the paste and apply it on hair and scalp generously. Wash the paste after 45 minutes with a mild shampoo and conditioner. 8. Methy for excess oil on scalp. Make a paste of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons. Apply cider vinegar after soaking together overnight. Apply to your hair to control the excess oil. Fenugreek seeds health benefits. 1. Encourages weight loss. A slim and fit body is appealing. If you want to shed those extra kilos, include fenugreek seeds in your diet. These seeds encourage a feeling of satiation and appetite suppression and weight loss. 2. Helps in digestion. Consuming fenugreek seeds on a daily basis help improve bowel movements. They are widely known to fight against all the digestive problems and acid refluxes. 3. Reduce your cholesterol. Eating methy for cholesterol is the popular remedy. It prevents intestines from absorbing cholesterol, thereby reducing the cholesterol levels. 4. Improves diabetes symptoms. A diabetes patient must have methy, seeds or leaves, in his diet. Methy or fenugreek seeds contain amino acids which help in the production of insulin in the pancreas. 5. Reduce menstrual cramps. Fenugreek seeds contain compounds which help in reducing the symptoms like discomfort and menstrual cramps related to premenstrual syndrome, PMS. 6. Reduces arthritis pain. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of fenugreek seeds help in lowering the pain arising from arthritis. 7. Lowers risk of heart disease. The presence of galactomannan in the fenugreek seeds makes it a good remedy to maintain heart health. 8. Improve kidney function. Consuming fenugreek seeds is good for better functioning of the kidneys. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.